The 2019 Suzuki Jimny by Wald International. The Suzuki Jimny is a little retro-styled SUV that is much adored by enthusiasts. Like it or hate it, there's no ignoring this. Despite the model changes over the years, Suzuki has retained the same old-school looks for the Jimny, and it still looks cute as a button. However, some aftermarket companies have worked on it to reveal the other, tougher side of the Jimny. Most of them provide body kits, but this particular version feels like way more than just a kit thanks to Wald International. This aftermarket manufacturer has come up with a Back Bison Edition and it looks menacing, to say the least. Exterior. The Jimny is mainly known for its cute, old-school looks. But Wald International has turned it into an unstoppable force, at least in terms of looks. Monickered the Black Bison Edition, the vehicle looks as rough as they come. Kudos to Wald for retaining the signature Jimny looks, but changing everything in the process. Up front, the round headlights are complemented by a new 10-slot grille finished in black. The new bumper looks well suited for an off-road SUV and adds to the butch factor. There is a skid plate at the bottom that will safeguard the underbody to a certain extent. The fog lamps are replaced by LED daytime running lights. It may draw polarizing opinions, but I feel they are bright enough to cover up for the fog lamp.
To read the full article, check the link in the description. If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.